All right, I'll present my views on smoking in campus areas. I believe smoking on campus should be discouraged or banned due to health and environmental impacts. Smoking poses significant health risks to smokers. By restricting smoking, campuses can promote a healthier, cleaner, and more inclusive environment for everyone. Offering quit smoking resources and awareness campaigns can positively support students who smoke. Share your thoughts on the Indonesian police. Indonesian police should focus on improving professionalism and tackling corruption. Better community relations, advanced tech use, and human rights protection are key to building public trust. Outline your plans after graduating from university. After graduation, I plan to find a job related to my field of study. I'll focus on finding relevant work to start my professional career. To develop skills, I'll take courses to keep my abilities up to date, build a network by joining professional groups and industry events, and prepare for the future. If possible, I'll consider pursuing higher education, like a master's, to expand my career options. That concludes my project presentation. Thank you for your attention.